waiting something. Never mind if I make flop at first.
We are cousins.
We are,
But we are enemies.
yeah.
Eh. Never mind, we are so. Never mind, I'm dumb.
Oh, you're actually real dumb. She's dumb as
Zion!
Why
This
you
one is our part 1.
part one?
Tomorrow it will be part 2.
Look at what I made right now.
What if I just made? I just did like this. I made something that is black and white. Yeah,
You
I
made
want to eat
flop.
it. I want to eat it naman.
Why do you want to eat it?
I don't know. Wait, I need. Then I will open it all.
Why?